2, 1. Oh, it looks good, eh? It looks good. Harness feels good. Feeling my crutch. No knots. Feels a little bit light though. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, thank goodness. I was thinking it was going to be light. Feels nice though. It is a bit light though. 24. That is pretty light. Oh, let's get back in the harness. Come on. I'll get some more height. That rain does not feel good. .32. Okay, so there's a bit of a southerly component, southeasterly component. That's not too bad. Wind feels good. It is very, very light. And a little bit bumpy. Oh, I left my glasses at home. I was like, why do my eyes feel funny? No, glasses. Do that one there. Yeah, radio check.
Copy, I hear you, Andy.
Cool. Yeah, it's a bit lifty up here, but it's still a bit lumpy too, so just be aware of that. I might try and head down the coast and see how far I can get, and if I land out, I'll just walk back to the car and go for a spin on the old motor.
Roger.
What the fuck? Oh, no wonder. I was wondering why that was fucking weird. That's better. Fucking asymmetric trim going on, eh? That's way. Must have been squeezed out somehow, eh? I don't know how. Let's take the back risers. Right, let's turn this sound on. Let's fly by the rear risers and see how far we can get. Hopefully far. 30 k's an hour though, that's not great. Ooh. Oh, not bad. There's a bit of development going on in there. It's closed though. Ooh. We're pretty low. Let's just steer on the risers. No, it's not bad. There's a bit of a westerly component. Oh, I'm getting low. I'm getting real low. I don't think I'm going to make this crossing up here actually. I'm suspicious that I'm not going to make it. No, I don't want to go too far. I don't know how much height we're going to lose doing this. Quite a bit of height. A lot of height. Oh, I don't think I'm going to make it back. No! Come on. Come on, come on. Let's just relax. We're not gonna climb. Nah, I've stuffed it. Oh, I've stuffed it. Completely. There's nothing down here. Bugger it. Bugger it. Oh no. Damn it. Oh well. I'm gonna get the motor out and go for a spin. Coming in hot. Whoo! Not on the road. Ah, I can't complain. That's a long walk. How am I going to pick this up? Pick it up on the wheel.